Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install LibreOffice latest version on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with PopOS 24.04, that is Firefox. Click on it to open, then go to LibreOffice official website. It is LibreOffice.org. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.8. Click on download, then select download LibreOffice, then select deb package. See here we have the Linux 64-bit deb. Then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 202 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip this zip file and we will install. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Go to terminal, cd downloads, ls. We have to unzip it. tar-accept, then libre, then press the tab to autofill entire file. Hit enter, ls. See here we have the LibreOffice folder. Go to that, cd, ls. Go to this debs folder again, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. Click on this office. See here we have the LibreOffice suite. Okay, we have successfully installed. Go to up, one more directory, ls. Remove these two directory and file, rm libre. Press the tab, underscore, enter, ls rm-rf. Remove this directory as well. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.8 on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.